Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am back here at Ajinkya DY Patil University in Pune. And last year, exactly at the same time, I was standing here and that is when I introduced you to Nishant and we talked about the whole concept of Vedam School of Technology. And ever since then, guys, it's been 1 year. Students have joined and today they are having their fest which is called Noesis, where multiple things are happening. It's in fact a 3-day fest which started yesterday, is happening today and it's also there tomorrow. I was here so I thought might as well give you a tour of the fest, give you a little sneak peek inside Vedam School of Technology and most importantly talk to the students who joined Vedam School of Technology and get a real review from them. Guys, trust me, it's going to be super fun because I have something very special at the end of this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's go. Guys, we are dropping the banner for Noesis 2026. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! We finally arrived at the academic floor of Vedam School of Technology. Guys, it's decorated really well. I mean, in general, the colors and all are so beautiful, but it's giving a proper fest vibe with like banners and posters and everything like that. By the way, guys, like I told you, this fest started yesterday. So there was a full-fledged hackathon that was happening yesterday. And it's just not only for the students of Vedam School of Technology, even students from other colleges can come and participate here. So that happened yesterday. And today also multiple things are happening across the corridor. So let me give you a little sneak peek inside of whatever is happening. Come with me, guys. Okay, guys, there's a coding competition that is going inside right now. And students look really very serious. But along with that, after this, there's going to be a blind coding competition as well, where these students will be given a problem to solve, but they cannot see what they're going to be coding. So imagine how cool that is. Guys, Noesis has multiple esports competitions. So there is chess, and there is Tekken, and there is FIFA. Right now inside there's FIFA that's going inside, so come with me. All the FIFA lovers are going to really love this. Guys, one thing that the camera will not tell you, obviously all the rooms have like really good lighting and everything. They've kept it very dark, but at the same time, like their AC is so at such a low temperature that I am wearing jacket, I'm still feeling cold. Anyways, guys, here there's a UI UX competition that's going inside. Come, let me give you a sneak peek. Again, love the colors and everything like that. The timer that you see on the screen is the time left for them to, finish this competition. I think they all are working in teams. I'm not sure. But again, love the lighting, love that. I shouldn't really disturb them, but I hope you got a sneak peek. Come with me. Okay, all you Free Fire lovers are going to absolutely be amazed by this. Come inside. Guys, they're going to be playing Free Fire for minimum 3 to 4 hours. On the screen, you can see the live standings. Guys, the moment has arrived for which you were desperately waiting. Guys, I've gotten hold of the first year students here of Vedam School of Technology. This bunch is literally the one that has taken the biggest risk of joining a very new age tech school, that too in its very first year. So guys, first of all, kudos on that. बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे यार. सबसे पहली चीज जो भी बोलेंगे सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. Cool. Okay. Quickly introduce yourself and tell me where are you from.
Hi, I am Amok and I'm from Delhi.
Hi, I'm Anushka. I'm from Kolkata.
I am Rishabh and I am from Dehradun.
Hi, my name is Anuj Yadav and I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Hi, my name is Nikhil. I'm from Nashik, Maharashtra.
Amazing, very good diversity. I really like it. Guys, simple सी बात है, घुमाऊंगा फिराऊंगा नहीं. Vedam is a very new age institute, new age tech school. What was your reason of joining Vedam? Like जब last year आप लोग ये सारी videos देख रहे थे, आपको पता चला Vedam के बारे में. I'm pretty sure you guys would have given other competitive exams as well. You were looking at other colleges. तो मुझे simply अपना बताओ यार कौन कौन से colleges देख रहे थे and what was that one reason of you joining Vedam and do you regret it now कि ठीक है?
बेसिकली मतलब मैंने जे दिया था, सो जे वॉज नॉट दैट गुड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो फिर मैंने CVT दिया था, तो उसमें मेरे को हंसराज एंड स्टीफन्स मिल रहे थे, बट उसमें BSc एंड स्टफ मिल रहा था. सो पर्टिकुलरली मैंने देखा था कि बहुत सारे न्यूजन कॉलेजेस खुले हैं विच आर AI इंक्लाइंड. सो मेरी 10th एंड 12th में AI थी. सो बेसिकली पर्सनल चॉइस मैंने चुन लिया कि लेट्स गो फॉर इट, रिस्क ले लो.
And do you regret that?
नहीं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई एम रियली हैप्पी. हाँ, एक है वो कि जूनियर सीनियर वाला, मतलब देर इज़ नो बैच अबव अस, तो इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ एडवांटेज ऑल्सो कि या विल लीड. फेस्ट भी चल रहा है हमारा. सो या परफेक्ट है, नॉट रिग्रेटिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
Okay, what about you?
मेरा स्टोरी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है क्योंकि मैं 12th में PCMB स्टूडेंट थी एंड माई पेरेंट्स वांटेड मी टू बी अ डॉक्टर, बट माई फादर हिमसेल्फ इज़ एन इंजीनियर और आई वॉज ऑलवेज काइंड ऑफ इंट्रीग्ड बाय दैट. और खुद ही घर पे आफ्टर गिविंग ऑल द competitive exams I was sitting, I was bored, and obviously I went through Vedam's YouTube videos. I also saw your video, by the way.
Yes.
And then finally this was an impulsive decision, I agree, but I don't regret it at all. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आता है यहाँ पे और पढ़ाई भी बहुत
तो
अच्छी.
और कोई कॉलेजेस वगैरह देखे नहीं?
मेरे मम्मी पापा ने देखा था, बट माई डिसीजन वॉज द फाइनल डिसीजन फॉर देम.
Okay, what about you?
सर मेरा जो न्यू एज कॉलेज ज्वाइन करने का सपना था, मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था 11th-12th से कि मैं न्यू एज कॉलेज ही ज्वाइन करूँगा, क्योंकि बचपन में ऐसा नहीं होता था हैकर्स की मूवी देख के कि कूल मतलब हुडी पहन के कोडिंग कर रहे हैं, कुछ तो चल रहा है स्क्रीन पे. मेरा वही था कि मुझे ज्वाइन करना है तो न्यू एज कॉलेज ही ज्वाइन करना है, क्योंकि इसमें ऐसा है कि इंडस्ट्री रेलिवेंट करिकुलम है और इसमें फर्स्ट ईयर से कोडिंग करना है.
क्लास 12 के बाद मैंने भी JEE दिया बाकी बच्चों की तरह, और मतलब मेरा आर्मी बैकग्राउंड है, तो मुझे AIT पुणे मिला था, बट उसमें मैकेनिकल ब्रांच थी. तो फिर मेरे कुछ बड़े भैया थे, उन्होंने कहा कि रहने दे, क्योंकि आने वाले टाइम में जिस तरीके से AI बूम कर रहा है उस तरीके से ये मैकेनिकल ब्रांच वगैरह इतना इनका नहीं रहने वाला. तो फिर न्यू एज कॉलेज देखे तो न्यूटन देखा था. न्यूटन भी मेरे को मिल गया था, इंटरव्यू वगैरह मैंने क्लियर कर दिए थे, पर मैंने यहाँ का करिकुलम देखा कि सुबेश सर वगैरह हैं, सब माइक्रोसॉफ्ट गूगल से हैं, तो इस वजह से मैंने वेदम ज्वाइन किया.
लाइक मेरी जर्नी अलग थी. मैंने कोई JEE एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम नहीं दिया था. मेरा पहले से सॉर्टेड था कि मुझे देना है तो न्यू जनरेशन में देना है. जितने भी न्यू जनरेशन कॉलेजेस थे मैंने सबके एग्ज़ाम क्वालिफाई कर रखे थे. तो मैंने वेदम इसलिए चूज़ करा. सबसे पहले चीज़ स्केलर तो मैं जा नहीं सकता बिकॉज मेरे घर से वो काफ़ी दूर है, एंड पुणे वॉज द प्रायर लोकेशन बिकॉज यहाँ से मेरा घर ओनली 5 आवर के डिस्टेंस में. तो है ना, मेरे दोस्त पूछते रहते, कभी मैं बैग लेके चले जाता हूँ नासिक नो, उनका दिल्ली वाले लोग दोस्त थे, थोड़ा दिक्कत हो जाती. तो फिर मैंने वेदम इसलिए चूज़ किया कि वन ऑफ द रीज़न वॉज स्कॉलरशिप ऑल्सो, बट सेकेंड वॉज आई नो सुबेश सर अर्लियर ऑल्सो. मैंने पेप कोडिंग में भी उनके वीडियोस देख रखे थे, प्लस या मैं फैकल्टीज़ को जानता था पहले से, फेमिलियर था, तो डेट्स व्हाई आई चूज़ वेदम.
ओके, एंड भाई कितनी स्कॉलरशिप मिली?
मेरी स्कॉलरशिप 20%.
Okay, good, yeah. Nice scholarship you got. Guys, okay, see, I came on the campus. I had a talk with Nishant. उन्होंने बोला यार ये सब कर रहे हैं, तो मैं आया और कैंपस पर वीडियो बनाया. आप सबने देखा डेफिनेटली, एंड जितने भी सारे लोग मिले सबने बोला कि यार आप ही की वीडियो देख के आए, विच इज़ गुड. इन दैट वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई हैड सेड was that you learn tech by doing and building, from the day one. देखो, उन्होंने मुझे बोला, I trusted them. I told you guys, you trusted me, you came here. Now, but what is the reality? Actually में ऐसा है, how is the curriculum here, how is the faculty? जो चीज़ें बोली थी कि ये होगा वो होगा, है कि नहीं है? सच्ची सच्ची बताओ, no problem. Who wants to tell that?
हाँ, हाँ डेफिनेटली आपने जो भी कहा था आई थिंक दैट इज़ द रियलिटी हियर एट वेदम. मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सिर्फ बताने के लिए कुछ भी फैंसी बता दिया था, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. रियली वी हैव हैड 24-hour hackathons हियर एट आवर फेस्ट. वी हैड 8-hour hackathons. वी नो हाउ टू बिल्ड फुल वेबसाइट्स नाउ. तो इसीलिए आई डेफिनेटली थिंक दैट येस वी लर्नड अ लॉट. एंड ये हमारे मेंटर्स ने, हमारे टीचर्स ने इतना ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करा है हमें थ्रू आउट द जर्नी. चाहे कितना भी सिली डाउट क्यों ना हो, we can always go to them to seek help. So yes, that is the reality here.
That's really good. In fact, because that is the main reason of why somebody would leave a traditional college and join a new age one. कि आपको वही पढ़ने को मिल रहा है जो आप पढ़ना चाहते हो. Guys, मैं last question आप लोगों से ज़्यादा टाइम लूँगा. I know you guys have your fest that's going on. Even I'm loving the vibe there. How is the crowd? Because it's the first thing. तो बहुत लोगों को लगता है कैसे लोग आए होंगे, किस टाइप के बैकग्राउंड से हैं, कैसे हैं. तो आप लोगों की बैच की वाइब क्या है, कितने लोग हैं, how many boys are there, how many girls are there by the way?
There are approximately 30 girls.
And how many boys?
110.
Okay, and how is the whole crowd of the batch?
Crowd is very diverse. Like we have people from multiple parts of India, like some from Nashik, then Assam, Jammu. मतलब बहुत टाइप के लोग आए हुए हैं. So एक बहुत ही वो वाइब मैच्ड है. मतलब वो अपने रीजन से खाते हैं, कुछ मराठी से खाते हैं, कुछ हम अपना डेली वाल से. या
Vedam is like mini India, Gokul Dham.
Okay.
वन थिंग मैं बोलूँगा क्राउड के रिलेटेड, क्राउड काफ़ी अमेजिंग है. कोई एक्सपर्ट है कोडिंग में, कोई अच्छा वीडियो एडिटर है, कोई अच्छा डांस में है. तो क्राउड काफ़ी अच्छी है. जूनियर्स को भी मैं बोलूँगा, आई थिंक आई एम द बेस्ट पर्सन टू आंसर दैट, बिकॉज मैंने वो सारे न्यू जनरेशन के वीडियो देखे, स्टूडेंट रिव्यू देखा, वो देखा, एंड गेट कन्फ्यूज कि कौन सा कॉलेज ले. आई थिंक अगर आप ये चूज़ कर रहे हो, डेफिनेटली यू वोंट रिग्रेट इट. That's it.
भाई इतने तारीफ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, मतलब इट्स जस्ट अ रिव्यू. बट ठीक है गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच. रियली अप्रिशिएट यू गाइस टॉकिंग टू मी. विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. मिलते हैं जल्दी. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. Guys, I told you right that there's a blind coding competition. It has started, so now let me give you a sneak peek inside. Come with me. Okay, so as you can see, these students have gotten charts on their screens. That means they cannot see and they have to blind code a problem statement that is given to them. They get 5 minutes for blind coding and then only 2 minutes to see the screen. I don't know how these people are doing it. It's so hard. Really hard. I think some people are just waiting for their time to get over so that they get 2 minutes to see the screen and then code. With the chart screen on, like this is the chart screen that is there. So they literally cannot see anything. Wow, pretty cool. All the best guys, all the best. Guys, I've gotten hold of another bunch from Vedam School of Technology, and with them I'm trying to get as much masala as possible for all you people. Guys, before I start asking you questions, introduce yourself and tell me where are you from.
Okay, so hi, I'm Agrima Gupta and I'm from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh.
Hi, I'm Nishtha Wadhwani and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Agra.
I am Krishev and I am from Punjab,
पंजाब में कहाँ से bro?
Gurdaspur.
अरे क्या बात है, very good. What about you?
Hi, I am Shivansh Oja. I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
Great. Guys, I've already talked to your batchmates and we understood their reason of joining Vedam School of Technology and everything like that. But with you guys, I expect more. Pehle to yaar tell me, now that it's been so many months that you've been here on the campus, what's been your major highlight so far?
Okay, so for me, it was me pitching my startup in front of many people. So I have pitched my startup more than a bunch of times. So
What is your startup about?
my startup is all about helping founders to get to the VCs and grab all the things for whatever. Like I would say, it's more to grab people whosoever have ideas. They get analyzed what's their steps to do further for that, and we help them to build the whole roadmap to build the startup and then to get to the VC and get the funding kind of things.
Wow, yaar, as an 18-year-old, how are you able to do this?
With the help of Vedam, I would say.
ऐसा क्या सिखा दिया कि भाई you are getting to connect with VCs and help people build their roadmaps for startups. Vedam in itself is a startup.
Actually, I was also like a lot of confused what to do about this. So I got an idea ki why shouldn't I help people doing this itself. So we also had a 1 month think like a founder session in which we were taught all these things.
Okay, wow, really good. What about you?
Well, I got the chance to work on my own project, which is Here and Heal. And I had this dream, but never thought it would come to reality, of course.
Okay, tell me more, what is it?
Here and Heal is basically my project, which is sound healing website for now. I never thought I would connect it with technology, but after coming to Vedam, it all came true. Yeah.
My greatest acceptance here was like I got accepted into LFX and I got an internship for $3,000.
Wait, what is LFX? And 1 second, guys, $3,000 he said. $3,000? But we'll come back to that. LFX, what is it?
LFX is an open source mentorship. So in this, basically the mentors are teaching us and we also work on projects. So we are getting paid for working on projects and also learning.
And when is this going to start?
2 March.
2nd March is starting now.
Yes.
Wow. And when is $3,000 going to hit your account?
Actually, half will come on 15 April and other after the project.
Wow, यार पूरे वेदम को पार्टी दे सकता है भाई तो $3,000 में. That's really good. And how were you able to actually get this? Yeah.
Subesh sir assigned me a mentor and he helped me to write a proposal which I have submitted and I got accepted.
Wow, guys, just don't take this guy very lightly, man. $3,000. He's very rich right now. Oh my God. Okay, guys, this is good, यार. आप लोग ने भी अच्छी तारीफ कर दी है of Vedam, which is good. But tell me things that people don't know about Vedam so far. First of all, how many of you are staying in the hostel and how many of you are staying outside?
Okay, so I'm staying in hostel.
Rest all of you outside? Yeah. Okay, so पहले hostel का ही बता दो. How is everything in the hostel? What are the curfew times? How's food? Everything?
Okay, so for curfew, it starts from like hostel gates open at 6 in morning and closes at 10. But sometimes if आपकी warden से ठीक ठाक पड़ती है तो आप 11 बजे तक खाना order कर सकते हो. And wardens are also cool. They are chill guys. Like basically सारी wardens अच्छी हैं. Hostel भी अच्छा है. Cleanliness is very good. Then पुणे है तो like इतना गर्मी यहाँ पड़ता नहीं है तो आपको ACs वगैरह की भी as such need पड़ती नहीं है.
तो पूरी क्लास में तो इतना AC चलाया हुआ है.
तो because हम पूरे क्लास में AC पे ही बैठे होते इसलिए हमें रात में फिर थोड़ा कम हो जाता है.
अच्छा, okay. No, and how's the food in the hostel?
Actually food तो D cafe का ठीक ही है. Like
ठीक ही है.
Like mess.
अभी तो ये बोली थी इतना अच्छा नहीं है. You're saying no?
Mess being mess, अब उसका कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Okay. And how far is your flat, PG and all from?
Just 2 kilometers.
Which location बता दो.
In Lohegaon.
So students have all the options. If they want to stay inside the campus, then that is there. Outside in ADYPU hostel, that is there. Flat, that is there. PG, that is there. That's really good. Guys, usual doubts that are asked is, what's the routine of a student? Like, what time do you wake up? What time are your classes? What time they get over? What do you do after classes?
So basically सुबह उठते हैं 5-10 मिनट पहले उठना, सीधे कॉलेज पहुंचना. क्लासेस चलती हैं 9 से 1 या 1:15 तक चलती हैं. उसके बाद 1 घंटा ब्रेक है. उसके बाद 2 से 5 फिर बैठना पड़ता है. तो सारा दिन इसमें निकल जाता है. फिर जब थोड़ा टाइम बचता है वो अपना एंजॉय के लिए.
What do you do on the weekends? Weekends पे कैसा रहता है scene?
So I think for me it's pretty hectic, as in parallel you have to manage internship as well as project submissions, and plus right now the fest is going on, so उसका सब sponsorship वगैरह manage करना रहता है. So it's hectic but yeah, chill at times.
Okay. No, but अच्छा, that is fine. And guys, what is usually the monthly expenditure that a student would make? एक तो हो गया जो fees that you have to give, but other than that, what's the monthly expenditure that comes about?
Well, monthly expenditure majorly हमारा तो off campus है, so food included होता है उसमें. So but अच्छा नहीं होता तो हम बाहर से ही मंगा लेते हैं. तो monthly expenditure food में बहुत ज़्यादा जाता है. उसके बाद traveling, यार मेरा तो 3-4 चला 4,000 तक चला जाता है.
Okay, so food 3-4,000 done. What else?
और उसके बाद ट्रैवलिंग कॉस्ट, लाइक कभी कभार अगर कैंपस से लेट हो जाता है सो ऑफ कोर्स हम ऑटो वगैरह कुछ ले लेते हैं. या कहीं बाहर घूमने जाना है तो यहाँ पे ट्रैवलिंग कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है.
Okay, how much?
इट्स अबाउट मेरा वही अराउंड 2-3 के मेरा ट्रैवलिंग में जाता है.
3-4 खाना, 2-3, so 5-6 हो गया ये. और
6 अराउंड.
ठीक है.
उसके बाद पर्सनल नीड्स तो वही स्किन केयर वगैरह यार थोड़ा सा ज़रूरी होता है वो.
So can I say guys, roughly 10 to 12,000 rupees लग जाता है. Will that be a decent? Guys, बाकी तो everyone's expenditure is going to be different, but this is really good. Okay guys, last question that I have for you guys. See, you guys watched my videos before coming?
Yes.
सबने देखी? Very good. Now your future juniors will be watching this and they'll be very confused. I want to give them all the real information. So tell me everything that your future juniors should know. The good, the bad, rules, regulations. ऐसी क्या चीज़ें जो उनको अभी नहीं पता, जो आने के बाद पता चलेंगे, हम उनको पहले ही बता दें. What would it be?
Okay, so जब सुबेश सर पढ़ा रहे हो तो अपने फ्लैप्स डाउन ही रखना जब वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. अगर आपके फ्लैप्स डाउन नहीं है तो आपकी शामत आएगी.
Okay, what else?
और जब अनुज सर पढ़ा रहे हो तो फ्लैप्स जोड़ो, फ़ोन भी अंदर रख देना। डेस्क पे कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स नहीं होना चाहिए, वरना फिर से जमात आएगी, फिर अटेंडेंस नहीं मिलती।
अटेंडेंस पॉलिसी क्या है?
अटेंडेंस पॉलिसी लाइक एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए तो इट्स लाइक 75%, और वैसे इनोवेशन लैब वगैरह के लिए दे आस्क फॉर 90% अटेंडेंस।
कॉन्टेस्ट से ही डर लगता है बस, और तो क्या ही है।
क्या तू क्या डर रहा है ब्रो? यू ऑलरेडी गॉटन $3,000 मैन।
वो तो वेब डेवलपमेंट में है ना, दूसरे में तो डीएसए डर लगता है, डीएसए मुश्किल है।
सो बच्चों को बोले कि डीएस से पढ़ के आए पहले से।
हाँ, कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए अच्छे से पढ़ लेना और कभी कॉन्टेस्ट मिस मत करना, वरना सीजीपीए बहुत गिरती है।
bonus tip. The bonus tip is you can find Subesh sir's video on YouTube. वो देख करके आना if you want to ace here.
ठीक है, चलो that's about it guys. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. And by the way, congratulations यार, थोड़ा मुझे भी बांट दिया $3,000 में से. But okay, take care guys. Thank you. Guys, the reason why I told you to watch this video till the very end is because no fest is complete without a proper concert vibe, and that is happening here at Vedam School of Technology. Right now there are multiple things that are lined up. As you can see on the stage, there is stand-up comedy that's going on right now. After this, there is a music performance. There are some other content creators who are going to come and talk to the students. All of those things are going to happen. So I'm going to sit and enjoy the stand-up comedy. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. I hope each and every doubt relating to Vedam School of Technology is answered. If I've still missed out on anything, if there's any question, doubt, query, make sure you comment below and I'll be more than happy to reply. Guys, please share this video amongst your friends. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. I'll see you all with another video. And yes, I'm also going to be putting shots of the stand-up comedy and the music, and the other creators are going to come. So watch the little bit extra part which is going to come now. Take care, guys.